Welcome to the exciting channel. This is John the Podcaster. For our main feature, let me invite you to please like, subscribe, and share. Like, subscribe, and share. Like, subscribe, and share. And click that bell notification for updates. Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go!
Yahoo!
Alright, welcome. And before I begin, these are my objectives for this particular series of tutorials. So my first objective is that all visually impaired persons, totally blind, the partially sighted, the low vision, and everyone with visual impairment will benefit from this tutorial in audio and visual format. Benefit, but across all nations, across all the blind or visually impaired communities around the world who are subscribed either through different visually impaired communities group page on Facebook or YouTube or other social media. And the objective is to have all visually impaired persons to enjoy and have video editing be easy to navigate using, of course, the Windows Photos app. Alright, so let's start the introduction to the Windows Photos. So
items view list. Items view list. Save picture. Items view list. All right, not selected row. Set up 1, 2, column. All right, no in column 1 of 13.
So I have here one of my, let's say this is a video file. Actually, for Windows Photos, you can make your photos, your images, your JPEG files into a video. That's cool about this particular app. So let's say, for example, this is a video file. Okay, so I'll just press Shift F10 to open the context menu, and then
create a new video.
Okay, there's a difference here. When it's a photo or a JPEG file or image file, upon opening the context menu, you will hear
edit with photo, create a new video.
Here, create a new video.
Edit with photos.
Edit with photos. But if it's already a video file, when you open the context menu, you have to scroll down and you have to go to the open with submenu, and then you just have to right arrow on that, and then you have to press photos, open with photos. So for example, yes, we did that.
Edit with photos.
So let's
create a new video.
Create a new video.
Photos window.
Okay.
Name your video dialog. Name your video. Video name meta selected new video.
Okay, so the first page will be it will ask you to put a title. So let's say the title is fine right now, new video.
Okay, editing new video.
Okay, it says editing new video. The buttons, the keyboard buttons that we are going to use for the Windows app are the tab, the shift, and the arrow keys. Well, I haven't really mastered the keyboard shortcuts for the Photos app. For the sighted people, they can see there are some, I think, pop-ups, about the keyboard shortcuts. But for the totally blind, the tab and the shift tab, the navigation keys, the arrow keys are the usual keys to be pressed. Okay, so let's tab.
All right, JPG button.
So you hear, since this is a photo or a video, you see it says the name of the file and then the format.
All right, JPG button.
That's it. So the thing here is it's already inside. The file is already inside, but not yet in the work spot or workplace. Okay, what you have to do is from here you have to press tab.
If you need a radio. All right, JPG button.
Okay, you have to press this first. All right, press the file, press enter on the file or space bar, and then you hit tab.
Place a storyboard button 1 of 2.
Yeah, you have to hear this place in storyboard, so you have to enter on that.
All right, JPG button in storyboard.
So it says already the file name, the format, and the words placed in the storyboard. That's very important to start your video editing. So let's tab more.
If you need a radio button, not checked.
So there are two viewers, medium and
view small radio button checked. Previous play button.
So this is the play area or the play preview area.
Play button. Next play button.
Okay.
Speed slider 0.
So it's on the 0 slider. That's the play slider.
Full screen button.
So full screen and then tab. I'm only using the tab button.
Yes. All right. JPG now selected 1 of 1.
Okay. So we are on the work spot or work office work area. Okay. So you will hear.
All right. JPG now selected 1 of 1.
So it says not selected. So we have to enter on that.
Selected.
Okay, so when we select, so all your files should have that word, or you should have that selected to edit everything. Okay, edit every file. Okay.
Duration 3 seconds. Button.
So since this is a photo, when you tap from
Alright.jpg
the file, it will go
Duration
directly
3 seconds. Button.
to the duration. This duration will is actually giving you the option how many seconds or minutes you will let the picture or this photo be viewed. But if this is a video file, once you select on it, enter on it, when you tap it, you will hear trim. So you will that will be on our next episode. So I'm just showing you the layout. So
Add title card button 1 of 9.
add title card. So when you like to add words for additional visual aids for your, of course, there are bigger percentage for visual viewers on your channels and Facebook or Instagram.
Duration button class 2 of 9.
So duration again. So I'm just using tab.
Text button 3 of 9.
So text on the file video or the photo, you could actually place some words on it. So when
Add title card button 1
this
of 9.
title card is a different a separate folder, separate card or whatever you call it.
Duration button class text button 3 of 9.
Text.
Motion button 4 of 9.
Motion, meaning if you want to tilt the video or pan to the right, camera motion, but not really that effective.
3D effects button 5 of 9.
So 3D effects, we'll have another episode for this. Yes, for visual, for the benefit of your visual viewers.
Filter button 6 of 9.
Filters, color of your actual video, the outcome of your actual video.
Resize button class 7 of 9.
Resizing, well, not really useful for the totally blind.
Rotate button 8 of 9.
Rotation, if you have problems with your camera, because some cameras, they have this mirror imaging. So, well, this will be a bit hard for the totally blind persons because if that takes into account, rotation will be very, very difficult. And the totally blind will need a sighted help.
Remove from storyboard button 9 of 9.
Okay, to unselect, remove the file if you want to change the file.
More app bar button.
More app bar button,
Pop-up dialog. Remove all button 1 of 1.
remove all. That's the available button here. And then
Add
tap.
title card button.
Okay, so these are the OneDrive you can get from your OneDrive files
Video editor button.
or your video editor.
New video edit. Read only new video.
So this is the title. This is another way for Windows Photos to give you a chance to edit your title, the file name.
Change video title button.
Okay, you can change it.
Undo button 1 of 5.
So undo or redo.
Background music button 3 of 5.
Background folder. So when you enter here, you will have the default lists of the background music that you can add to your video files or photos.
Custom audio button 4 of 5.
Okay, so when you hear this custom audio file, this will let you upload different sound recordings. Let's say you have your video, the audio of your video is not really that good, and then you want to make an audio editing, and the final product of your audio editing you want it to be overlaid to the video. You can do that, and it will just work smoothly. Okay, and you can also add sound bites like sirens, horn, different sound bites. Okay, using this custom audio.
Background custom audio button 4 of 5.
Yes, custom audio. Then
Finish video button 5 of 5.
finish video. So you just have to enter on this, and then it will transfer you to another page that will have you.
Finish your video dialog. Finish your video. Video quality combo box high 1080p. Recommended collapse.
That's recommended.
Medium 720p. Low 540p. Smallest file size.
So there are 3 options.
Medium high 1080p. Recommended.
Of course, you have to choose high.
More options group and collapse.
Not really that important.
Export button.
Export.
More options group and collapse.
For the sake of this tutorial, this is the
Space.
okay.
Use hardware accelerated.
See?
Finish video button 5 of 5. More app bar button. Show or hide button. More app finish video. Finish your medium 720p. More option export button.
So you just need to click export to the final stages of your video editing. So you have to click on this.
Finish video button.
Then
Save as dialog.
there.
File name. Combo box collapsed.
So,
And all plus selected new video.
so on this final page, your Windows Photos will ask you again if you want to edit your file name. Then
Save as type. Combo box video file collapsed all plus T.
okay, that's on default video file.
Toolbar. Hide folders button. Export button.
Then click export. So if you want to have a specific folder,
Cancel button.
you
Apply to
can,
address. See search box. Command bar. Tree view.
so you can
Pictures
choose
select one of one level 2.
you can choose it through here. Alright, so that will be it for this edition or for this episode. So you just click export.
Command. Scanner. Part1 to cancel button. Export button.
There, just click export, hit that, and your video editing is done. Okay, so those are the layout or the interface of the Windows Photos. Okay, see you on the next episode, and God bless. Bye.